Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and I am back to share with y'all this button painting. Y'all, I had so much fun working on this. It was very enjoyable. I think I'm going to try to get a couple more. So, this came to me from Fansells, and it was like $18.93, I believe. It is pre-framed, so it does have the wood around, the canvas is stapled to it. This backing is, it's a hard backing. This is a 30 by 30. Now, I will leave the link in my description box for y'all to check this out. And y'all, this is called Purple Vace, I think it was. I don't remember now, and I don't have my notes up here. But this took me maybe an hour to complete. And y'all, I had plenty of everything to finish. Even the pearls, I had plenty of pearls, and then the buttons, and these are so adorable, and the shine is so nice. But can y'all see? And like I said in the other video when I unbagged this, there are different ones. There, I think there's like 4 or 5, possibly 6 different button canvases. And I just love this. It is different. It's the same process, concept. It's just using different materials. And I think it is awesome. This is so much fun. And it is so pretty. So pretty. So, this is my completion of the Purple Flower Vase Button Pearl painting. And it's gorgeous. So, alright, I do hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my description box. The link for this will be in there. And if I have a Fansells code, it will also be in the description box. That way you can get, you know, a little bit of a discount when you purchase. So, yeah. I mean, it's so neat. So neat. Alright, so that's all I got for y'all today. So, until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.